Page 39, monkey business. This is assuming you recovered from the previous video and all that mess. Let's look at what's going on here. In the right hand, we're playing two notes at the same time. Fun City. Look at this. At the beginning, in the right hand, you have an E and a G stacked on each other. That means you're going to play them at the same time. It's not the fact that they're stacked above each other, it's the fact they're connected to the same stem like that. Because if you look at the next measure, you have an F and a G. They're not totally above each other. They're a little cockeyed, but they're connected to the stem. You play them together. They can't put them directly above each other, below and above, because there's not room. They would overlap, and they can't do that. So when it's like this, you figure out what the notes are. It's a G and an E. You're going to push them down at the same time. Put your hand in that position with the two fingers involved, and you simply lower the hand. You don't use the fingers to do it, you lower the hand. You listen carefully. Try and get them down at the same time. I'm not very good at that, but you keep trying. The next measure, it's an F and a G, so these two fingers, you just lowering the whole hand. Let the wrist collapse. Don't play with a stiff wrist. Let the wrist collapse, and you're just lowering the hand. Actually, what I'm doing is I'm dropping the weight. I play with a weight distribution method where I'm using the weight of the hand and the arm to push the notes down rather than the finger muscles so much. And so I'm simply lowering the weight, and these fingers are down, and that pushes the notes down. I do that with one note at a time too, like in the left hand. I can do that with the left hand too, I'm just one finger's down instead. But when you're dealing with chords, multiple notes, it's very important to do that. So here. So in this first measure, when to put the hands together, you have a G, and now you've got the C in the left hand and this chord together. Both hands go down together. So you have to work that out. Now they're saying up above, point out the fact that this piece, you got two lines, both lines are identical. So you only have to learn one line and you've got it. So it's not as, I don't know why that's important. What difference does it make? The piece isn't that long. You can learn this piece anyway. And that's it. That's all we're doing here. So work it out, play it, and then come back and play it with me and we'll check the notes and the rhythms. I'll give us 4 counts. Left hand's here, right hand's here. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2.